Hello students, I am Miss Nazia Deshmukh and today we are going to learn new lesson of class 6 civics, that is what is government. In this lesson we will learn about what is government, need of government, levels of government, laws of the government, types of government and right to vote. So what is government? It is an organization or administration in which a group of people working together as a unit. These peoples are elected by the people of the country to run the nation as indicated by the defined law. Why there is a need for government? Government make decision and get things done. It protects the boundaries of the country and maintaining peaceful relations with other countries. It is responsible for ensuring that all its citizens have enough to eat and have good health facilities. When there is a natural disaster, it is the government that mainly organizes the aid and assistance for the affected people. Levels of the government. There are three different levels of the government. The first level is the local level. The local level means in your village, town or locality, the government which is working for the peoples, that is called as local government. Here you can see in India there are number of villages and the districts are there. So the government which is on a district level, that is included in the local level of government. The second level of government is the state level. It would means that which covers an entire state like state Haryana or Assam. So government which is working in that state, it is included as the second level of government, state level. The third level of government is national level. The national level relates to the entire country. It means that the government which is working for the whole country, that is called as national level of government. Laws of the government. The government makes laws and everyone who live in the country has to follow these. Government has the power to make decisions. Similarly, it has the power to enforce its decisions. In addition to any actions that government can take, there are also steps that people can take if they feel that a particular law is not being followed. For example, if a person feels that they were not hired for a job because of their religion or caste, he or she may approach the court and claim that the law is not being followed. Types of government. There are two different types of government in which first one is a democratic government. In a democracy, it is the people who give the government this power. They do this through elections in which they vote for a particular person and elect them. Once elected, this person form the government. In a democracy, the government has to explain its actions and defend its decisions to the people. The second type of government is monarch government. The monarch, that may be king or queen, has the power to make decisions and run the government. The monarch may have a small group of people to discuss matters with, but the final decision making power remains with the monarch, means a single person. Unlike in a democracy, king and queens do not have to explain their actions or define the decisions they take. Features of the democracy. In democracy, the people have the power to elect their leaders. People rule themselves by participating in the making of these rules. A government cannot call itself democratic unless it allows what is known as universal adult franchises. What is meant by right to vote? In their earliest form, governments allow only men who own property and were educated, they are having a right to vote. Before independence, the country was governed by the rules and regulations that these few men made. Observing all these conditions, several peoples, including Gandhiji, were shocked at the unfairness of this practice and demanded that all adults have the right to vote. This is known as universal adult franchise, and from that time, every person in the country got the right to vote. Like India, in some other countries also, people had a fight for getting a right to vote. Right to vote in Europe and USA. All over Europe and USA, women and the poor had to fight for participation in government. Women's struggle to vote got strengthened during the First World War. This movement is called the women's suffrage movement, as the term suffrage usually means right to vote. American women got the right to vote in 1920, while women in UK got the vote on the same term as men some years later in 1928. So students, this is all about the government. I think we all had understood everything about the government. Thank you very much.